Hi, welcome to our channel Jovilla. Today we are going to discuss the jobs present in Indian agency for Aramco project Saudi Arabia. Before we going to details of the jobs, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button and also share video with others. So discuss the details of the jobs. Aramco project in eastern region is looking for the following Saudi candidates hiring. Saudization officer. Package is 20,000 SAR. Project manager Aramco approved. Saudi Riyal is 45,000. QA manager Aramco approved. 30 to 45k salary package. Safety manager Aramco approved. 30 to 45k. Interface manager Aramco approved. 25k. Cyber security manager Aramco approved. 10 to 15k. PRO Aramco experience 10 to 15k. GRO Aramco experience 10 to 15k. SAR receptionist 10 to 15k. SAR training co-coordinator Aramco experience 15k Saudi Arabian Riyal. Work location is Al Khobar. If you are interested in these positions and have experience according to the announcement of ad, please share your CV to recruiter12 at hrinternational.in. Recruiter12 at hrinternational.in. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.